Hello students, how are you all? I hope everyone fine. So last three problem under heading gradient measure, in which first one, if in two circles, arcs of same length, so consider two arc. I hope you know what I mean by arc, right? Length of the part of the circumference. I'll consider two arc AB and CD in a different two circles of same length of the both arc in the different circles are same. Subtends an angle 60 degree and 75 degree. One arc one circle ಅಲ್ಲಿ 60 degree subtend ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು arc of same length ಇನ್ನೊಂದು circle ಅಲ್ಲಿ okay 75 degree subtend ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ okay at the center of the circle. Find the ratio of their radii. So suppose this is R1, this is R2. What is asked? Find R1 by R2. Two different circle, same length of the arc, two different angle. Okay. So which formula we should use? We know that. Tell me. V means you are also included. S is equal to R theta radian. S is equal to R theta radian. Okay. So this is circle 1 of the figure 1. This is figure 2. Okay, for the first figure, for figure 1, what is it? How to write this formula? See, this is same for both. Let it be S and S only. This is theta 1. This is theta 2. Okay, so for the first figure, the formula is S is equal to R1 theta 1. Correct? Here, our radius is R1 and theta 1. See, we should write theta in radian measure actually, but ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟ theta ಹೇಗಿದೆ degree measure ಇದೆ. How to write 60 degree in radian? How to convert? Remember, multiply by pi by 180 ಅಂದ್ರೆ pi by 3 radian. This is for the first figure. Say in the same way for the second figure, formula is S is equal to R2 theta 2 where R2 ಏನು ಹೇಳಿ radius. Okay, and theta 2 ಏನು 75 degree. Okay, ಅದನ್ನ ಹಾಗೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಗಿಲ್ಲ, you should convert into radian. So it is 5 pi by 12. 5 pi by 12. See, if I started to cancel from 5 ones are 2 remaining 15 times, 5 3s are 15, 6, correct? Next 3 5 times 3 12 times ಅಂದ್ರೆ 5 pi by 12 radian. ಇಷ್ಟು ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ? ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು, ಯೂಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಸ್. S is equal to R1 theta 1, S is equal to R2 theta 2. ಏನ್ ಕೇಳಿದರೆ, we have to find out R1 by R2. How to get this from these two? If I name this as equation 1, this is equation 2. How to get R1 by R2 from 1 and 2? S. Divide 1 by 2. Alva? So right hand side ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? S by S. Okay, left hand side will be S by S, which is equal to 1. Right hand side ಏನು? R1 by theta 1 by R2 by theta 2. Correct? R1 theta 1 by R2 theta 2. ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಕೇಳಿದ್ದು? R1 by R2. So this implies R1 by R2 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? theta 2 will be multiplied here, theta 1 will be multiplied to denominator. Alva? Observe this carefully. Theta 1 is known, theta 2 is known. Substitute. Theta 2 5 pi by 12. Correct? Theta 1, what is theta 1? Pi by 3. Pi cancel, 3 ones are 3 4. So it is 5 by 4. So R1 ratio formula ಕೇಳಿದರೆ, so R1 is to R2 is 5 is to 4. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? I hope you understood. So two different circle, same arc length, two different radius, two different angle. You can solve like this. Understood? Very good. Next question. Find the angle in radian through which a pendulum swings if its length is 75 centimeter and the tip describes an arc of length 10 centimeter. So first you write this geometrically. So ಇದನ್ನ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ geometrical format ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. Observe ಮಾಡಿ. Find the angle in radian. Okay, ಇದು we are going to find out angle in radian. First ಅದನ್ನ mark ಮಾಡಿ. Okay, this angle is created by the pendulum. Okay, suppose if I consider this a pendulum swings. Swing ಅಂದ್ರೆ swing ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? Swings. If its length is 75 centimeter, pendulum length 75 centimeter and its tip describes an arc of length 10 centimeter is the length. Over. Now it's very easy to find out that, okay, the required angle. Yav angle find out madbeko? This angle you have to find out. So this angle you have to find out, let it be theta radian. So you take this as a length of the arc. What if idana complete ಮಾಡಿ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳಿ? Circle ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So what does this represent? Radius, correct? So write down what is given. What is given? Radius is given, alva? What is the radius here? Length of the pendulum. What is length of the arc? What is length of the arc? 10 centimeter. Correct, no? Then what is required? In angle subtended by this arc at the center. So required is central angle. And theta radian. What we know? We know that S is equal to R theta radian. Alva? In the previous problem also it is used. Therefore, what is required? Theta radian is required. That is S by R. S is to 10 centimeter. What is R? 75 centimeter. Correct? No? So it is 5 2s are 5 1 time, 2 is remaining 5 times. Okay. So what is asked? Find the angle in radian. Idan enadu convert madlikide. What about unit of this? It is a unit nothing but radian. So ಏನು convert ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ. It is 2 by 15 radian. So sometimes you may get a question for an angle in degree. If it is asked angle in degree, then you have to multiply 180 by pi. But ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ radian ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ radian ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಸಿಗತ್ತೆ answer. So don't do any conversion. So keep it as it is. But write the unit 2 by 15 radian. Unit ಬರೆದು ತುಂಬಾ important. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? This is very simple question. First convert the sentence into geometrical approach like this, then it will be very easy to complete. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ? Very good. Next. This is an important question. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ಇದೆ, ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಅನಲಾಗ್ ವಾಚ್ ನೋಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ರೆ this problem will be easy. ಡಿಜಿಟಲ್ ಕ್ಲಾಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಡಿಜಿಟಲ್ ವಾಚ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅನಲಾಗ್ ವಾಚ್ ನೋಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ರೆ this problem will be easy to manage. Okay, read the question. The minute hand of a watch is 1.5 centimeter long. How far does it tip move in 40 minutes? How far does it tip move in 40 minutes? Okay, one clock diagram bariva. It should be in a circle form, not square. Remember that. 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and last 12. So minute hand, see in clock, analog clock alle minute hand will be the taller than the hour hand. Okay, so hour hand bekantilla, just minute hand consider madi. Minute hand of a clock of a watch is 1.5 centimeter long. Okay, so length of the minute hand is given 1.5 centimeter long. How far does it tip move in 40 minutes? 40 minutes in minute hand cover agbekadre 12 inda el tanga barbek heli. For which number it should reach to get 40 minutes from 12? I hope you know this. It should reach 8. So e angle measure ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಈಗ ನಾವು. We have to measure that particular angle, or you can measure this also, one and the same. Okay, idu find out ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 360 minus you have to subtract this, then you will get this. You can find out this directly, so I'll erase this, but you can also find this, remember that. So let me find out this angle. Okay, so 12 in the 8 tanga reach adaga it will cover definitely the it will take 40 minutes to reach from 12 to 8, and that angle we have to measure. Now I'll convert this problem into this diagram into one simple diagram, okay, that you saw in the previous problem also. Consider a circle. Okay, this is a path created by the minute hand. This is the path created by the minute hand inside the clock. And it must be in the circle format. It must be the circle. So this length is given 1.5 centimeter. So now it is here. Same length is here, right? So idan ಏನು ಕರೀತೇವೆ? What we call this length? This is called nothing but arc or length of the arc. Correct? No. This is called length of arc. Is it length of the arc is known? No, here we don't know the length of the arc alva, that we have to measure. How far andre that we should measure. Length of the arc we have to find out. We don't know, we have to find out. And what is given? Radius is given. Okay, so what is given? Radius is given. How much? 1.5 centimeter, correct? And we have to find out length of the arc. Okay, length of the arc find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Radius ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. And also you know you are going to use this formula. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ ಇದೆ? 1 2 3 3 quantities are there. Out of 3 quantities only one is known and one more is asked. So is it possible? Definitely no. Out of 3 quantity, if you know 2, then third one you can find out. So how to find out the one more, okay, from the given data? At least one more you have to find out to get S. Kali theta ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ರೆ S find out ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಅಥವಾ only if you know R, then also you cannot find out S. You should know R and theta both. So R ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. Already you know R is equal to 1.5 centimeter. So next task is to find out theta. Okay. I'll give you one information, maybe you know about it. See, minute hand 60 minute rotate adaga, what is the angle created by it? 60 minute andre no, minute hand 12 inda 12 one complete rotation agutte alva. When it take one complete rotation, the time taken by the minute hand is 60 minute. So 60 minute rotate adre minute hand, what is the angle created by it? Full one rotation andre no, 360 degree. Very good. So one full rotation adaga it will cover 360 degree. Now we have to calculate what is the angle covered by it in 1 minute. So 1 minute alli eshtu? How? 360 divided by 60. 0 cancel, you will get only 6 degree. So minute hand in 1 minute rotate to 6 degree. 1 minute andre no, maybe you know after 12 there will be 5 division alva. 1 baro munche there will be 5 division in a clock. So 1 minute anta ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ a single division, one division. So minute hand in 1 minute rotate to how much? 6 degree. Minute hand in 1 minute rotate to 60 degree. But what is the time taken by the minute hand here to create this arc? 40 minutes. So therefore 1 minute alli 6 degree rotate ಆದರೆ 40 minutes alli ಎಷ್ಟು rotate ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ? So this is the angle created by the minute hand at the center. Okay, so this implies you will get 40 into 6 andre 240 degree. Right now 240 degree, but this is in degree measure. New e formula use ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ theta should be in radian. So can we use 240 degree directly? Definitely no. So you should convert this into radian. Radian here convert ಮಾಡೋದು multiply by pi by 180. 0 cancel, 6 3s are 6 4s are. So it is 4 pi by 3 radian. So this implies I can write theta radian is equal to 4 pi by 3 radian. So theta ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ, radius ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. So what is required? S. Now you can use this formula. S is equal to r theta. So therefore S is equal to r andre no 1.5. I'll write 1.5 as a 3 by 2. Only 1.5 hage itre you need calculators. I'll show you without calculator. Okay, you can solve this problem. Write 1.5 as a 3 by 2. What is theta? 4 pi by 3. Correct? 3 cancel, 2 1s are 2. So it is 2 pi. Now tell me what is the unit? Is it 2 pi radian? Radian anta bariboda? Why not? It is not angle. What is this actually? Length of an arc. Length cannot be measured in terms of radian. Length must be measured in terms of centimeter or meter or kilometer. ಇಲ್ಲಿ use ಮಾಡಿ unit ಏನು? Centimeter. So 2 pi centimeter. But ಇಲ್ಲಿ one condition ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Use pi is equal to 3.14. So because of that, you should write this as a 2 into 3.14. ಅದು ಕೊಡ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಬದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕಾಗ್ತಿತ್ತು. Okay, it is given that pi is equal to 3.14. So one extra work is there. 8 to 6. So 6.28 centimeter. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? Very good. So these are the last 3 problems as I told from this exercise. Now in the next video I'm going to take the actual trigonometry, which is a continuation of your 10th standard trigonometry. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? Thank you.